At least what is the difference? We may see based on the examples. If I want to do anything, maybe I make you little clarity on MS Paint, Windows key or MS Paint. See, this is one service. Assume this is one EC2 service. This is one S3 service. Not only this, maybe see this EC2 having computing power. Everybody know, at least I agree with me. EC2. Is it okay for you? Is the elastic compute cloud. This is having power. That's why it is able to communicate with maybe S3. It is possible. It is maybe communicate with IAM. Maybe I am going to give here IAM. This is assume one more resource. One more, sir. This is the global service. Don't worry. This is also S3, also global service. I am writing here S3. S3 is the global service. Leave about global or local. Maybe one service. Try to understand. This is also IAM. Identity and access. See, through EC2, I want to see my users. I need to connect to this. Or agree with me? If I am the EC2, I want to access S3 buckets, or else I want to create an S3 bucket. Through whom? Through one resource. Through one resource. See, here also I need one role. Role for role. Just role one as. Here I may go for which one? Again, role. Role. Suppose you may ask me, no, I want to create only one role. That role name is role 3. Role 3 having these two powers. Is it okay for you? Maybe possible to this? Maybe possible to this? I'm giving this role access to who? Is it? Is there any difficulty for anybody? Please respond. See, I am the person, I am communicating with Subbu. I am the person, I am communicating with Hemant. I am the person, I may communicate with both persons. Is there any difficulty? Is it okay? Hemant and Subbu? Clear for you?
Yes, sir.
See, here what happening, very simple answer. Communication between resources. At least are you agree with me? Communication between resources. AWS resources. Now, this is the role concept. You may ask me, what is assume role? What is assume? See, my intention. Again, you may say, we may go for this is S3 once again. Assume this is IA. This is not a problem. These are the resources. These are the resources. This is S3 resource. This is again IAM resource. Good. Now I am creating one role. The name I am taking role here. I am creating a role. This role having which facilities? Now everybody know both facilities. This is facility, this facility. This role I am giving to whom in the sense I am assigning to the person user. There I am assigning my role to whom? Use. Please respond. User. My role to who? User. This role is assigned to user. See, this is nothing but which role? Please respond. ASSUM, assume role. Terminology is different. Are you understanding or not? Is it okay for you? Someone is trying to join? Yeah. Now check and tell me. Here, have you got the clarity? Now everybody respond. What is the difference between general role and assume role?
General role cannot access to user and assume role
General role providing communication between resources. That you need to tell.
Yes, sir.
Assume role we are providing access to a user. That is nothing but assume role. Everybody got it? What Subbu, clear or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah. Now, yesterday already we applied role concept. Again, once again, I'll show you. Then we'll go to today. Our main agenda is only role and assume role. If you are perfect, remaining things are very easy to do. Now I am entering into our account. See, where I am going to IA. See, if anything is there, see, multiple roles are there. I am going to there. I may delete those things. See, EC2, EC2, IAM. There, just I created some roles. These are not chargeable. That's why you may create it. Maybe I may removing there. Where is that? Delete, right? Delete. Delete. There, you can't delete. There, I'm waiting. Now is it deleting? Remaining, I think 5 more also there. We'll check it and remove it. Again, click on rows. You may see. I think
Yeah.
these things also am I created? I think it is telling AWS service role for access analyzer. I think these are the system dependent roles maybe. Got it or not? Now quickly we may go for first we may create maybe our intention is what communication between resources, right? Once again we'll go. Now click on role, see create a role. See this is here I make you a little clarity. If you general pro means work with AWS services. Already I said, right?
Yes.
Service wants to communicate with another service is the first option. If you want to set an assumed role, is the second option. AWS accounts. We'll do that. We'll do that. Don't worry. Now click on here. Use cases. Choose a service. See, till now, even see general, commonly used services, industry people are using which one? EC2 and Lambda. We'll discuss Lambda in future. Maybe I'll give at least I will take 3 to 4 classes on Lambda also. Click on EC2. EC2. See, the use case, choose a use case for the specified service. This is my service, computing power. This is able to interact with whom? You may ask me, no. I want to interact with both services. One is S3, another one is maybe what I said, IAM. For that, you need to go for first S3. They are capital letters. S3. See somewhere, Amazon S3 full access is there, right? Select it and also leave it and IAM. IAM. You may see somewhere IAM full access is there. Are you agree with me? Yes. Now, how many IAM full access? Now, just go to click on next. Two powers I provided. The role name is one is S3, another name is IAM and full access. Full access. Now, just click on. See here you see this is also important thing for examination purpose. Version state is default. By default effect is allow. Action see STS. Again also here you may see the assume. Assume role means temporary access. Assume role means temporary access. That's it. You need to remember. But this is not according to our scenario, not an assume role. General role I am creating. Assume role I'll tell you. But here the internal thing is this is also one type of assume role. Wherever role is, internal thing is assume only. But when we'll say the role is assume role, that role is attaching to user, then only we can call assume role. Otherwise, general. This is which role? General role. Good to go. See the two powers. One is two policies. S3 full access. IAM full access. Click on create role. Role is created. You may able to see the role at least. You may able to see the role. View roles.
Scroll down.
There, at least at the down. Yeah, see here. The role name. Where is the role name? No, at the top is there. See, S3 AM full access. Till now clear?
Yes.
Now, how can I access this? How can I work with? How can I attach this? See, for EC2 only. Till now, EC2 is there? No. Even today, I studied somewhere. Please, I am telling that story also. I'll tell you that. Now I am taking right click. You may go to duplicate tab. duplicate tab. There I may create an EC2 instance to you. Or else existing also we can go. We may go with EC2, EC2. See, what is the story I studied today? See, if it is free tier, no problem. If it is free tier, even free tiers also, you can use 3 free tiers, no problem. If you are using more than three tiers, suppose you may create 3 instances. Three is up to good. If unfortunately created with free tier 4th instance, you may stop it. Even though you may stop it, you may pay little bit because every instance internally using public IP or agree with it, whether you may utilize or you may not use, you must pay the little bit. Per month, $3. I studied today. Per month, $3 in the sense, maybe 250 rupees. That's why whenever you work with instances also, your work is finished automatically. What will you do? You must terminate your instance is the best policy. You must terminate instance is the best policy. Anyway, click on launch instance. I'm going to work with free tier. See EC2. I'm giving the naming convention EC2 only. Maybe Amazon Linux. Their T2 micro only. This is the free tier eligible only. Their key pair equity is any existing key pair. Their ASIA Pacific Mumbai. Their existing key pairs are there, right? See, EC2 is there. Now just leave about all the default things. Their SSH connection is there. Today we'll see without using SSH how to connect also I'll show you. Okay. They're simply our intention is their launch instance. Instance will launch. Now good to go to instances. Instances. There you may see instance is launched. Till now I hope no worries. There you may see status check. I may refresh. It is still initializing. We need to see 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means, see the status checks. There we may see on the status check. When you can click on the status check, check it here. I may go for somewhere you may see status check. Where is that? Are you able to see here? No, right? Now there see status and alarms. Status. There is a status check input. See, status checks detect problems that may impair EC2 for running your application. Here, system status check is there, instance status check. Please observe the difference. This is also interview question. See the word system status check and also instance status check. The system wherever is there is the hardware resources. Instance is there, internal application related things. Instance is nothing but situation in that current applications, whatever it is there, it may run or not, it will check. System status means only related to hardware, Again, refresh, we may see 2 by 2. Again, I'm refreshing. Again, you should go and check it. Still initializing. Or else we may go at very beginning, then we'll get it one second. Still initialized. How many types of status checks? One is the system status check. Second one is instance status check. Instance. Instance is related to applications and other things. System status is purely related to hardware. You know, at least hardware and operating system. Instance belongs to OS, system belongs to hardware. Microprocessor. Click. Yeah, 2 by 2, you got it right. Again, I'm going to check it. Their status check alarms. There you may see, where is that? I think it's gone. Go to, I think here, right? See,
Yes.
system reachability checkbox, instance reachability checkbox. Okay, this is not our criteria. At middle, I clarified. Now click on here, right? Now what I want to do? Now we need to connect. See, generally, if I want to connect it, what I may do? Click on connect. You may work it with SSH client. Everybody are agree with me? Till now, what do you know? How to access your instances and see, try to understand. See, this is the AWS cloud, but local laptop wants to interact with AWS cloud by using SSH client. Now I may go with EC to instance connector. EC to instance connect. Is it okay for you? EC to instance connect using a public key. Is it okay for you? My username is what? EC to user. We may try. Click on connect. See, is it connected? Is it easy, right? Without any maybe there. Which one you need to use generally?
Git bash.
Git bash. No need to use Git bash. No need to go internally. Simply directly you can connect. Is it okay for everybody? Very simple, right? Sir, I told sudo hyphen I. You may try. Yeah, I connected to support. I connected to root. Now what is our intention? Now I may try AWS. We may check it AWS is there or not. Yes, it may available. Yesterday also, last class also we have seen. Now what is my intention is there AWS S3, S3, LS. Look, am I having access right or not? I am checking.
Awesome.
Is unable to locate credentials. You can configure credentials by running AWS. This is not the right way. If I use AWS configure, other people may tamper. Unfortunately, some people may connect to my instance. They can grab or they can, the word maybe hackers. Hackers may handle my resource, my instance. I'm not doing like that. What I may do, everybody know, going to instances, there I'm going to click on very simple way instances. You may able to see my instance. Select it. I got selected, right?
Yes.
Again, I'm reselecting. Now go to actions. Anyone can get me what to do?
Security.
Click security. See, I'm enhancing security. Click on what I may do? Modify IAM role. Now, already we created one role. What was the role name? Anybody quick response? There you may see S3 IAM full access. S3 IAM full access. Click on here. Just click on update my role. Update IAM role. Once it is updated, somewhere it is already connected, right?
Yes.
See, now same up arrow, enter. See, there is no error. What does it mean?
Yes.
If already existing bucket is there, we can able to create. I may create from here itself. AWS S3 MB means make bucket. See S3 colon double slash or maybe single slash. I don't know. We'll check it. There welcome hyphen 123 123 123 123. We may try in this way. If anything going wrong, it may give an error. See, is it created right?
Yes.
Now, suppose how can I see my buckets? AWS S3 LS.
Yes.
Is it clear for?
Yes.
I want to see the users. Now anyone can get me? How can I see the users?
We can
AWS,
Yeah.
IAM,
Yes.
IAM.
Yes.
No, list users.
Yes.
List users. Am I able to see right?
Yes.
Here itself we can create a user. Again, we need to take the ChatGPT help or other thing. Okay. In CLI, we can do everything, but little bit complex. If you are having multiple times practice, then only we can do it. No one can ask you. Will you do everything on CLI? Not possible. Very, very complex to remember all these things. Till now, anyone facing any difficulty? Quick response. See, after some time, what is the advantage of role? See, I given access to so and so person by using like this. After 1 hour, what I may do? I may remove the which one? Role. How can I remove it? Again, go to instances. Again go to instances. Where is my instance is there? They are easy to instances. Simply go into instances, click on actions, click on security. There I may go for modify IAM role. Simply I may know IAM role. That's all.
Yes.
Is it good or not?
Yes.
There, what it is telling.
Detach.
You need to give detach.
Yes.
DETACH. Now I detach. After detaching, again I may go to here. I may try for test users. There is no right. Again I may go for S3LS. I'm not having any right. But I can work with the date command. I can work with other things. If I touch, OS will work. Touch their file air1 dot file. I may create .txt. Now check it ls-ltl. I'm able to see those things.
Yes. Yes.
Till now clear? This is purely related to which concept? A role concept. Role concept. Now what is the power of assume role? Shall we go for assume role concept?
Yes.
Shall I move on to assume role? Now if you want to work with assume role, this is not needed. This instance is not needed. Shall I terminate this instance?
Yes.
I'm going to terminate the instance. First, move on to instance. Their actions instance state. There terminate instance. Now check it. It is terminating or not.
Shutting. Shutting.
Select what happened.
Shutting.
Terminate. It isn't shutting down. Okay, cool. Now move on to which row? Assume. Now again going to IAM. Where is the IAM? This the IAM is there. This is not. Where is that IAM? Am I removed?
Yes. That's it. That's it. Yes.
This one?
That.
Yeah. Click on IAM. Click on IAM. They're going to again role concept. Going to role concept. Believe about that role. Now we are going to create a new role. Create role. Now you tell me. See AWS account. See allow entries in other AWS account belongs to you or a third party to perform actions in this account. This is the very powerful one. In this account, someone else or other account, someone else. First, today we'll see in this account. If you want to see other account also, if anyone having other account, we can able to work. Okay, select which one? AWS account. If you want to work with Azure, then you must go for AWS account, not for AWS service. Good. Now what to do? Their AWS account. See this account too. If you say another account, I may click on another account. You need to provide account ID. Everybody know account ID, right? Here also, this is the account ID. Like that, if you are having any other account, I must provide here automatically for that account. They can see other accounting people can work with our account. That is the concept. Good. I may go for this account. Click on next. See, these people, what they want to do, maybe I may give S3 full access, assume S3. Maybe the third party people or maybe user wants to create, what about which one? Maybe I may go for S3 bucket, that is no cost, right? I may give S3 access. Maybe S3 full access, S3 full access. Good. Now click on next. Click on next. The role name. S3 full for maybe user one. I'm taking user one. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Good. I'm copy paste. Control C. I may create one user one. User one. See here everything is fine. No problem for us. No problem for us. Just I'm creating a row. Role creation is very simple. Role is created. No worries, right? S3 full for user 1. S3 full for user. Leave here. Now you may see little things that too I may clear. See S3 where I click this one on right,
Yes.
click on here. Now check it here. This is the important thing. You need to remember for creating a assume role, you need to work with ARN. See, Amazon resource name. ARN means Amazon resource name is the link to switch roles in console. This is also important. We'll discuss later.
Yes.
First, what I am going to do, I am copying this first. I am copying this first. This ARN is given to so and so user. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Indirectly, I am telling, hey user, I am giving access to you. Who is having my ARN? My ARN in the sense, my role ARN. They are eligible to access. They are eligible to access. Now, shall I move on to users? Now I am going to create user one. Shall I go and create user one?
Yes.
Create user. The name is user one. User one. Now, shall I give? Maybe we need user access, right? For that, what I will do? Go to IAM. Their custom password. My common password is welcome. Welcome @123. We may check it. Am I written properly or not? Yes, everything is fine, right?
Yes.
Remove the check mark. Now what to do? Click on next. Any difficulty here? No. For this user, I am going to attach directly policy. Is it okay for you? Which policy I want to go? I want to attach policies directly. There create policy are able to see or else we may direct first we may create. No, maybe you may confuse. Don't go with this because of that such option is not there. I may click on first user, create a user. I think check it. User is created properly or not. See, user is created. Return to user list. What happened till now? Please respond anyone. Only empty user got created. Again I am going to users. Again I am going to users. Check it. User one is created or not. How can I know? Nothing will be there. Again I am clicking to user one. Check it here. Till now, is there any permissions or not? Quick response. Till now, is there any permissions? No. What is my intention? I want to add permission. There also permission is there, but we can't able to see this option. That is the problem. Now, assume role. Don't go for add permission. Go for which permission? Create inline paths. Create inline paths. There, click on JSON. Click on JSON. There, policy editor is there, right? Policy editor. There, square bracket is there. Are you able to see square bracket here? Yes or no? There, remove square bracket. Remove square bracket. Add double quotation. Within that, STS, secure token service, ASSUM, assume, ROLE, assume, row. Is it correct or not? How can I check? System will tell. See, error gone, right?
Yes.
Now. Now what shall I do? I said somewhere. I need to copy. I need to copy ER.
Yes.
Really I copied or not? How can I know? Here I can know, right? I'm going to take double quotation. I'm pasting over here. See, this is the ARN. S3 full for user one. Everybody, is it clear or not? Please respond. Two things you need to specify. What are those two things? One is the action. Second one is resource. Which resource you are going to access? Star means, see, in general scenario, star is there. Star means I am the user. I can able to access every resource. But I am the user. Who am I? User one. User one. What I can access? Only S3 full access. For which role? Which role? Assume role. STS, secure token service, assume role. Here is it clear for you? This is the very, very powerful thing and important thing. Shall I move on? Yes. Now click on next. Click on next. See the policy name again. I need to specify. Now S3 for user one. S3 for user one. The name I am giving. See, important thing is allow one of 460 services, STS secure token service, see limited, right? See role name, something something given for user one. Click on create policy. Till now clear? Now I need to log in with, I want to log in. Or anyone can try for this login with, or everybody try it. I'm going to give maybe those who are having yesterday link,
Yes.
top link required. That's all. Top link. Even Hemant, you also try with just link is your link. Don't go with root user account. Go with what is the user? User one. Welcome 123. Everybody try your way.
The yesterday link, right, sir?
No. Just you are having your maybe account details, right?
Yes,
See,
yes.
just you click once. Don't go with root user. Go with IAM. That's all.
Okay.
Just IAM. If any doubt, ask.
Yes, it matters.
Have you connected?
Yes.
Have you
Yes,
connected?
yes, sir.
Yeah. After connecting, everybody try. Are you able to access S3? Even though you are the right user, you may not able to access S3. Please check it. But our question is what? What I said, assume role. Or role is provided to you. You can able to access. I told the one story. But I need to enhance a little bit.
So the access given.
No. Try to
Sir,
create.
what is the user, sir?
Username is user one. Username is user one. Username is user one.
Password is welcome.
Welcome. You may try if really working or not.
Password is only welcome, right?
Welcome at the rate 123. Welcome at the rate 123. You got an error, right? That's what.
It is
We-
asking account ID, sir.
yeah, account ID, your account ID only. Shall I provide that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll provide. I'll provide on the WhatsApp group. Maybe for you only I can provide. I think Subbu, are you trying?
Yes, sir. It log in and it shows access denied to
Yeah,
service catalog.
good. Wait a while. I'll tell you the story. Extension. Now, till now, up to information we know. Second half we don't know. We'll see it. Now I am providing. I think Hemant, where are you? Let's see. Yeah. Hemant, give me a hi message at least.
1 second.
Yeah, good. Now just I am providing. Now the copy it and just write. Once you connected, I'll show you what to do. Same procedure you tried.
Sir, for me, it is showing authentication failed.
Yeah, I think that user one, welcome, W capital Hemant, W, welcome at the rate 123, W capital. Try it once, 100% will work for you. Or else share your screen.
It is connected, sir.
Yeah, good. See, once it is connected, even though I provided S3 full access, you may try to create one bucket. You may try to create one bucket at least.
Already one S3 is showing, sir.
No. You try to create a bucket. Is it working
Okay.
or not?
Okay, sir.
If existing, you can able to see at least.
I'll put S4 like that.
Any name.
Okay.
Is it working for you?
One second, sir. Create permission required like that.
Yeah,
It is
good,
showing.
good, good. At least you got an error, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good, good. Now observe on my screen, everybody. If you observe on my screen, I think are you able to see my which screen EC2 instance, right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See where I am clicking observe on my screen. Here. See, in our screen, at the bottom, in your screen, maybe test user. There, see, switch role concept is there. Check it. Are you able to see? Everybody,
Yes.
click once. What you may get it, tell me. I don't know. I don't know.
Sir,
Maybe
one
there.
second, sir.
Yeah.
They're asking some.
Or else, for your each understanding, see, I may provide one URL.
Yes.
See, have you clicked Hemant, switch role? See, observe on my screen, I am in the DevOps, their switch role is there. Once you click it, you can able to get one maybe screen. On the screen, multiple options are there. Maybe account ID, role name. Do you know those details?
Yes, sir.
Generally, we don't know.
No, sir.
No,
Please
you
mention.
see, are you observing? See, those details I'll provide for you. Those details I'll provide for you. Even I may tell manually you can enter it. Don't go for that. That is little difficulty. What I may do, I may go to my IAM, please observe. I'm going to my roles. I'm going to my roles. You can able to see my role, right? What is the role? S3, full for user one.
Yes, sir.
There, this URL I am providing. Where I can provide in our
Sure.
a chart in our chart. Where is our chart? This one only. Am I correct? No. Where I connected?
Chrome, sir. Yeah.
Yeah,
First one.
good. Now I am providing. Please, everybody click on this. What happening? Tell me. Now double click on here.
Yeah.
You can able to see all my details.
Yes, sir.
Everybody, industry people, they may provide for third party. Assume I am working my project. I'm having little doubts. I'm having or maybe a small problem. I think you know the word any desk like that. This one, any desk like that. Is it okay for you? Up to that clear, Hemant? Have you clicked?
One second, sir. I'm doing it. I have switched to role, sir. No.
Yeah. Now just you clicked on no. What I am asking, I provided one URL, right? There
Yes,
in
yes.
our chat group. Have you clicked right?
Yes.
Once you click it, you may able to see switch role. Click on switch role, everybody.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah, you may try to create bucket. Everyone try to create your own bucket.
Yes.
Within the role only, within the whatever I provided link, there only you need to get permission. If anyone facing difficulty, I may move on to test user. I may try to implement it. If you are facing difficulties, or else you may try.
sir, it is created, sir.
Yeah, good. I hope you got the clarity regarding which concept? Assume role
Okay.
concept. Assume role concept. Now I may give little clarity on assume role. Maybe some enhancement is there. What to do, please subs. What about Subbu?
I'm trying, sir. No, I will not do.
Yeah, do it.
Okay.
Once you did, please respond. I hope I'm able to see 4 buckets now today because of 4 members are there in the live. You may check with, I may check with buckets. First, at least I'm able to see those buckets. Now, where I am in IIM, I may go to here S3. I'm moving to S3. Now, at least you may see on my screen those buckets. See, until now, I think S3 full access Anvesh. That means Ganesh and someone created welcome. Someone created. I think how many buckets?
There are 4, sir.
4.
Yes. 2 are obvious.
4 different person or 2 created by one person?
Welcome to Monkey.
I think welcome 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
I created. Okay, good. Okay.
Sir, AWS dev that I create.
Yeah, you create. Anyway, Subbu is pending, right? Subbu, any difficulty?
Created, sir.
Yeah, good. I may refresh it. I may check it. Yeah, I got the next one. Subbu also good. Now what I want to, I told something, right? What I said, I want to enhance something. Now please observe what I want to enhance. Now I am in IAM. I am going to role concept. You may see my role. What is my role name? S3
Full access.
full per user. Here you need to understand something. This is the asking question. See maximum session duration. Please observe on my screen.
Yes.
This is the interview question. If any role if you create, what is the maximum session duration? Maybe general role, maybe assume role, whatever the role. Good. Now, see what they ask in interview. This is the minimum. This is the, here is, I given maximum session duration 1 hour. But in reality, I am going to edit here. Please observe. I am going to set up to how many hours?
2 hours.
12 hours. Minimum 1 hour, maximum 12 hours.
Yes.
But customization is there.
Yes.
You may ask me. See, here seconds they specified, right? What is the default time they specified? 3600 seconds. 60 minutes into 60 seconds. 60 minutes per minute. 60 seconds.
Yes.
60 into 60. Everybody knows. But Ganesh may ask me, sir, can I give access for 5 minutes? 5 minutes means 300 seconds. Got it or not? I may try for 300. What it may tell. Now read the statement below statement. The custom duration must be between minimum 3000, maximum 40,200. In between only. That is possible. Maybe see 3601 possible. 3601 valid.
Yes.
Maybe our feeling is what customization means. Can I give for 3 minutes? Can I give? They may ask in interview. Their seconds are there, right? Can I give? If I didn't tell, your feeling is what? Maybe possible to assign minutes also. Here, very simple answer. Minimum 1 hour, maximum. You can't exceed 12 hours also. This may expire. This may expire. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
I think you got clearly regarding IAM. In IAM, what we worked with, one is the user concept, another one is the group concept, third one is the role concept, third one is the role concept. But one user or one group, how many policies max I may assign in the sense? 20. Try to remove 20. But actually, theoretically, they said 10, but practically it is supporting 20 policies. How to create our Inline policy also, right? Inline policy means customer manager policy. Customer manager policy. Another one is manager policy. AWS created policies are manager policy. User created policies are inline policies. Inline policies. I hope, according to my view, 100% concept regarding IAM, IAM. I may enhance little thing. I may enhance little thing. There, already the users, Windows or MS Paint, I may create, the users here, general IAM users. I am talking about IAM users only. IAM users. There, I may create user one. For that user, I may give admin power. Are you agree with me? Or maybe power user power. Power user. Administrative user or power user, or maybe anyone resource power. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Any difficulty here?
Amen.
I may create one user. For that user, I may specify administrative access or I may specify power user access. Maybe observe carefully. The root user. Or agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Root user having full powers. And also admin user also having full powers. But what is the extra power for root user? The root user can able to handle that. Wait a minute. Handle billing. See, billing activities can handle. But admin user, not all the billing activities. Some activities he can do. Got it? Administrator main name is for resources only. Full powers for all resources. Are you understanding or not? See, root user having not only all resources but also billing activities. Now we are going to power user. Power user. Power user other than IAM. Other than IAM. You know the meaning, right? Power user may not have the power. Power comes from IAM only. If IAM I removed, you can't do anything. See, I am the admin user. I can able to create a user. Now you have seen, right? I may show you at least. I may show you that one also practically. Then only we can write the session. Going to IAM, everybody know.
Yes.
Create user, you know it. First check it, my user existing. Maybe my username is DevApps, right?
Yes.
DevApps, I am clicking DevApps. Please observe. DevApps belongs to which access?
Administrator.
Administrator access. I may create the word power user, the name itself. User, create user. The username is power at least. Everybody try with power. Power.
Yes, sir.
I may create, maybe same I am giving. I want to create
Second option.
no custom password. Again, welcome 123 only. Now welcome at the rate 123. I am showing you. Is it correct or not? Welcome. Yes, I am removing tick mark. Now click on next. Everybody, I am not doing anything. I need to add policy, right? Attach policy direct. There I may assign. See, there I said power user, right? Power somewhere. See, the power user is there, right? Power user access.
That's it.
Select it and just create it. Next. One more next is there maybe. Yeah, create user. Now everybody logged in with power user. Username is power. Password is welcome at the rate 123. The same existing. Everyone after logged in, don't go for EC2, don't go for S3. It will work. You may try to click on IAM, try to create one user. That is your wish.
No.
Even if you click IAM, you may get an error. Hey, who are you to touch me like that? It may ask.
Access denied.
Access denied. If you click on S3, you are happily access S3.
I'll Yes, sure.
You can do everything, but
Access. That's like
IAM. Other than IAM, you can able to access. Is it okay for you? Have you tried everyone?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we may move on to new concept that is
Yes, sir.
EC2. Today we move on to tomorrow move on to EC. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, good. Now somewhere EC2 is there. I deleted that one. I hope I deleted right. Am I created or else? I may check it first. Go to EC2 section. I think any new one is created. I hope no. If on instances, I think new one is terminated, right?
Yes,
Okay. Now everything is clear. You may check it on even Mumbai also. North Cochin. North Cochin. I created in Mumbai only. Nothing will be there. Okay, thank you. I'm winding the session. It's tomorrow
Thank you.
morning, as usual, Linux class. Okay,
Okay.
good. Thank you.
Another Chrome. Yes.